Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back to another lesson of Basic Tajweed Course with IslamicReading.com. We are currently reading the movements levels, and in today's class, we are going to study the fifth and the last level, which is Leen Letters. We'll study what are the Leen Letters, what are their conditions, their rules of pronunciation, difference between Madda letters and Leen Letters, and then we'll practice how to read the Leen Letters. My name is Hafiz Adnan, and you're watching IslamicReading.com. A diphthong is also known as gliding vowel. It is a combination of two adjacent vowel sounds. The sound starts in the first vowel and ends in the second vowel. For example, height, cloud. In the first word, two vowels, E and I, are being combined. The sound starts in A and ends on E, height. In the second word, the sound starts with A and ends on U, cloud. In the Arabic, we have two diphthongs sound which we call Leen letters, and they are Ya and Waw. Like Madda letters, Leen letters also have to fulfill a condition, only then they will be called Leen letters. The letter Ya has to have a fatha on the preceding letter, only then it will be a Ya Leen. If the preceding letter has any other movement than fatha, then the Ya won't be a Ya Leen. It may be something else. And a Waw will only be called Waw Leen if it has fatha on the preceding letter also. If it does not have, it's not a Waw Leen. So both the Leen letters have fatha on the preceding letter. If they don't have the fatha, they won't be called Leen letters, they will simply be called individual letters. To pronounce a Leen letter, we simply join the two vowels together. And as you know that a fatha gives A sound and Ya gives E sound, so the combined sound is going to be I. This will be the sound of Ya Leen. And with the Waw Leen, a fatha is A and Waw gives U sound. The combined sound is going to be Au. To pronounce Leen letters with the other consonants, we take the first phonetic of the letter and add the sound of the Leen or diphthong. The difference between Madda letters and Leen letters is basically of their sound. Madda letters are pronounced long with only one vowel direction, but Leen letters are pronounced with combined sound of two vowels. Also notice that conditional movements are also different with them. A Ya Madda has kasra on the preceding letter, but a Ya Leen has fatha on the preceding letter. Waw Madda has a dhamma on the preceding letter, but Waw Leen has fatha on the preceding letter. Length of the sound is first phonetic plus combined sound of two vowels, and direction of the sound, we don't have a single direction here, so it will be simply the sound of the diphthong. Ya Leen is written as a Ya with a small curved sign on top and fatha on the preceding letter. We'll study that small curved form in the next lesson. And a Waw Leen is written as a Waw with the same curved sign on top and the fatha on the preceding letter. To pronounce a Ya Leen with Lam, the sound is going to be La and E, Lai, which has the first phonetic of Lam, which is L, plus the two combined vowel sound, Lai. And with Waw Leen, it's going to be Lao. Again, we have the first phonetic of the letter Lam, L, and we have added the diphthong of the Waw Leen, and the sound becomes Lao. To pronounce a Noon with the Ya Leen, the sound is going to be Nai, and with the Waw Leen, it's going to be Now. To practice Leen letters, you can use these images. The link is in the description. First, practice with the individual letters and then practice them in the words. Today was the last lesson of the movements. We have learned all the necessary sounds in the Holy Quran. Now let's see the table of the Holy Quran movements together. You can now compare all the sounds of the Holy Quran's basic movements. Now you know what is their forms and their positions, what are their names, their conditions, and their pronunciation. If you had been following along, now you should be able to recognize and pronounce the basic sounds of the Holy Quran. But still, if you have any question, you can comment below the video and we will respond to you. Like and share these videos with the other and also subscribe our channel. From the next class, we are going to start different signs and their effects on the pronunciation. Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.